Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove a signature in Gmail on your PC. If you no longer want to include a signature in your Gmail messages, follow these simple steps to remove it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, scroll down to find the Signature section. Step 5. Next to the signature you want to remove, click on Delete Signature. Confirm the deletion if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily remove any unwanted signature from your Gmail account, ensuring that your emails are sent without any unnecessary extra information. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.